very happy so that all of us can gather together here. Yeah, this is a very difficult things that Muse can organize to get everybody together. So he prepared everybody to have one T-shirt. The T-shirt is written as Muse Crew. So because he wants to have everybody as a team to achieve a goal together. He hoped that everybody will have their own style, own thinking in the results of the photos that we took in the past few days, and so that we can put it together in a final video, and you can see the variety from every single participant. He believed that it's gonna be turn out very interesting because it's not only his job, his works, but everybody that work together and come with different kind of ideas, and we sharing together, we take care of each other, and we make it happen.
咁大家都好 nice 啦，又睇到各自佢哋好多好有 talent 嘅嘢啦，大家好有特色嘅嘢啦。Muse 教我哋點樣影相啦，點樣着衫啦，阿晶晶教我哋點樣化妝啦，點樣 set 頭啦，跟住配搭咯，大家都做得好快咯，即係唔好亂咯，即係個個都好精彩啦。
More on fashion and makeup, and this is what I learned in this workshop. And finally, we sit here all together. We have fun and we have new friends all over the world.
Yeah.
I thank you.
Organizing of your arranging. Thanks for that from my side.
團隊精神咧緊要過即係最後我係想得到啲咩 result。
Good morning, everyone. I am the tour guide with Muse Photography. We are now in Morocco Sahara. We will spend 2 days here for enjoy a lot of moments. I am so glad. I am very happy to work with this team. They are so professional. Muse Inspiration Workshop Sahara. Muse in Morocco. Action! Action!
極度口渴啊！但係10蚊一杯又 OK 喎。今日非常之好天，而家咧係晏晝3點鐘，我哋嘅第一餐。好食喎，真係好食。係啊，咁啊非常之好天，真係未見過後邊個群山係咁靚。好少會睇得到。
沙漠中的绿洲。
Yeah.